Welcome to Tech Ashkira. Today we're going to see 5 interesting websites for kids learning and knowledge. Before we go into the content, please like and subscribe our video. This is our first website for the Max Knowledge website. Kids can play the games in addition, subtraction, division without boring. Here is a second website. This is a National Geographic website. This is personally recommended one. Kids can learn different kind of animals, different kind of people, places, culture, life cycle, everything. This website is a treasure for today's kids. Here the third website is a mysterious science website. Nowadays kids are often interested in the science and the chemistry. Kids can learn here, observe the things, how it's working in the chemical reaction and all. It has some mysteries, how it is experiments working and how flights flying, so they can easily understand here well. It's a good website for kids. Here the fourth website. In this website the kids can learn the cyclics of universe and world are common things. How it's a cyclic work, for example how moon cycle is working, how calendar is working, so they can learn about this. Here for example, they given the moon phase, when its origin and which phase it's turning the color, turning the size, everything is detailed they are mentioned here for kids understanding, so kids can understand the cyclic here. Here the fifth website, it's a PBS Kids website. This website also it's a recommended one. Kids are interested to play games in this website. While playing the games, they can understand the vocabulary sound in this here website. They can understand the English too quicker and sooner. Okay guys, all 5 websites links are below in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Follow. Please smile. Take care.